Stop wasting money on kitchen gadgets that end up in a junk drawer. Welcome to SwiftHome Finds. Today, we're cutting through the clutter. We've analyzed expert data from Wirecutter and America's Test Kitchen to bring you 15 kitchen upgrades that actually save you time and money. Links to the best current deals are in the description below, but listen closely. Stay until the very end. Our final two picks are absolute game changers that will completely revolutionize your daily routine. Let's count it down. Number 15, Love Pad's Clear Table Cover Protector. Kicking off our list at number 15, we are protecting your biggest dining room investment. Nobody wants to hide a beautiful oak or glass dining table under a tacky cloth, but nobody wants water rings or heat damage either. The Love Pad's Clear Table Cover is your invisible armor. It's a 1.5 millimeter thick, heavy-duty PVC shield that protects against spills, scratches, and hot plates while letting the natural beauty of your furniture shine through. It's heat-resistant, wipes clean in 2 seconds, and is custom cut to fit perfectly. This is smart preservation without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 14, Good Cook Everyday Non-Stick Baking Sheet. At number 14, let's talk about the most abused item in your kitchen, the baking sheet. If your current pans are warped, stained, or require a chisel to clean off baked-on cheese, throw them out. The Good Cook Everyday Non-Stick Baking Sheet is the ultimate workhorse. Reviewers love this specific pan because the heavy-duty steel core prevents that terrifying pop and warping sound when it hits high heat in the oven. The non-stick coating is so slick that cookies and roasted veggies slide right off. It proves that professional-grade baking doesn't have to cost a fortune. Number 13 is the UKitap Expandable Silverware Organizer. Number 13 solves the daily annoyance of the chaotic junk drawer. Opening a messy utensil drawer actually spikes your stress levels before you even start cooking. The UKitap Expandable Organizer is brilliant because it adapts to your kitchen. Instead of buying a rigid plastic tray that slides around and doesn't fit, this organizer expands from 13 to 22 inches to perfectly lock into the sides of your drawer. With deep compartments, you can finally separate your salad forks from your dinner forks. It's an instant, satisfying visual upgrade. Coming in at number 12, we're taking control of what goes into our food. Pre-packaged ground meat from the supermarket is often a mystery blend of offcuts. This 8-cup electric food chopper and meat grinder lets you make your own perfectly textured burgers, meatballs, and sausages in seconds. It features a powerful motor and 4 bi-level stainless steel blades that effortlessly chop meat, nuts, and veggies without turning them into mush. It's the swift decision for meal preppers who want healthy, additive-free protein at a fraction of the butcher's price. At number 11, the Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender. If you've ever tried transferring boiling hot soup from a pot into a countertop blender, you know it's a terrifying, messy disaster waiting to happen. This Immersion blender is a top-rated essential because it lets you blend directly in the pot. It features 12 speeds and turbo mode, easily crushing ice, pureeing baby food, or making velvety tomato soup. It's sleek, easy to store, and the blending wand detaches for instant cleaning. It's the smartest way to simplify your cooking process. Number 10 is culinary royalty, the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer. This isn't just a gadget, it's a lifelong investment. America's Test Kitchen has crowned this the undisputed champion of mixers for decades. Whether you're kneading tough sourdough bread, whipping cream, or mixing heavy cookie dough, the 325-watt motor doesn't quit. What makes this a smart research pick is the planetary mixing action. It touches 59 different points in the bowl per rotation, ensuring 0 unmixed ingredients. If you bake, this is non-negotiable. At 9, we're upgrading your safety. Standard cloth oven mitts are dangerous. The second they get slightly wet, they transfer boiling heat straight to your skin. On the flip side, cheap silicone mitts are so stiff you can't even grip a pan. The KitchenAid Ribbed Soft Silicone Mitt solves both problems. It offers heat resistance up to 500 degrees, while the ribbed texture gives you a slip-proof grip on heavy glass casserole dishes. Plus, they're machine washable. It's a small upgrade that prevents serious kitchen accidents. Number 8 is the ultimate space saver. Countertop real estate is precious, so why buy a separate food processor, pitcher blender, and personal smoothie maker? The Ninja kitchen system combines all three into one absolute powerhouse. With a 1500-watt motor, it pulverizes ice into snow in seconds. It can knead 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds, and the single-serve cups mean you can blend your morning protein shake and take it right out the door. It's versatile, incredibly powerful, and replaces half the appliances in your cabinets. Number 7. The gadget that took over social media. Did you know store-bought shredded cheese is coated in cellulose, literally wood pulp, to keep it from clumping? Gross. But using a traditional box grater skins your knuckles and takes forever. The Geedle rotary grater is a masterpiece of efficiency. Just drop a block of cheddar in the top, turn the handle, and watch a mountain of perfectly shredded cheese fall out. The suction base locks it to your counter safely. It makes prepping tacos or pasta dishes ridiculously fast. Coming in at number 6, we are eliminating garlic hands. We all love the taste of fresh garlic, but mincing it leaves your fingers smelling pungent for days. The Zulai Premium Garlic Press is a heavy-duty, rust-proof tool built like a tank. Here's the best part. You don't even need to peel the garlic first. Just pop the whole clove in, squeeze, and it extracts the paste while leaving the skin behind. It flips open for a quick rinse. Professional results, zero mess. At number 5, the secret to restaurant-quality meals. Ever wonder why chicken cutlets at high-end restaurants melt in your mouth, but yours end up dry and chewy? They pound their meat. The KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer features a dual-sided head. Use the textured side to break down tough muscle fibers in cheap cuts of steak, or the flat side to pound chicken breasts into an even thickness so they cook perfectly in the pan without burning on the outside and staying raw inside. It's heavy, perfectly balanced, and effortless to use. Number 4 is for the fresh juice lovers. Flimsy plastic juicers snap under pressure, and electric ones have too many annoying parts to clean. This Zulay commercial cast iron squeezer relies on pure, unstoppable mechanical leverage. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, it extracts every single drop of juice from oranges, lemons, and grapefruits without getting any seeds or bitter pulp in your glass. It's a heavy, beautiful piece of equipment that looks fantastic on your counter and will literally last a lifetime. Coming in at number 3, an absolute marvel of modern kitchen tech. Microwaving leftovers makes them soggy. Using the oven takes way too long. Enter the Ninja Crispy. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a portable glass meal prep revolution. You prep your food in the glass container, store it in the fridge, and when you're ready, snap the crispy air fryer lid on top. It gives you that perfect golden brown crunch using hypercyclonic air. Reheating pizza, wings, or fries will never be the same. It is a true, swift decision. At number 2, the undisputed king of meal prep, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Hate chopping onions and dicing potatoes? This gadget turns 20 minutes of tedious knife work into literally 10 seconds. Just place your veggie on the stainless steel grate, press down, and boom! Perfectly uniform cubes drop right into the tray. No more tears, no more uneven cooking. It even includes spiralizer attachments and is 100% dishwasher safe. Wire cutter experts agree, this isn't just a time saver, it's how you get your evenings back. And finally, our number 1 SwiftHome find, the Owala Smooth Sip Stainless Steel Tumbler. Standard travel mugs leak, are impossible to clean, and those tiny drinking holes burn your lip. The Owala is engineering perfection. It keeps your coffee piping hot for hours, but the real magic is the mouthpiece. It perfectly mimics the smooth, comforting edge of your favorite ceramic mug at home. No splashes, no burns, just the perfect sip. It's spill-resistant, fits any cup holder, and looks incredible. It's not just a cup, it's the ultimate upgrade to your morning ritual.